Good morning, student. So all of you see the chapter 1, resources, utilization and development. So we were doing the revision of this chapter. Okay. And almost we have completed all the topics. Today we are going to say about the keywords, isn't it? And you will see page number 5, the word meaning of depletion. What is the word meaning of depletion?
When quality or number of something continuously reduces.
When quantity or number of something continuously reduces, isn't it? अगर किसी भी resources का हाँ जो
गुड मॉर्निंग
यस गुड मॉर्निंग, तो वो जब reduce होता है तो उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? Depletion. Now deterioration. Good morning. What do you mean by
Process
deterioration?
of gradually becoming worse.
वर्स
Okay. Irrigation.
Watering the land of crops, canals, tubewells,
drip or a sprinkler method, etc.
Irrigation means watering the land or crop through canals, tube wells, drip, sprinkle method, etc. Isn't it? Now, what is navigation?
Movement of ship
movement of ship goes
from one place to another through
Yes. Navigation means movement of ship, boat, etc. from place to place through waterways. Isn't it? Now, skill. Skill means
ability
what
to
you-
perform certain tasks with efficiency.
efficiency.
That too we were discussing about that, and those countries which are
Ability
having
to
skills.
perform certain tasks with efficiency.
Okay. Ability to perform certain tasks with efficiency, isn't it? For example, do you have any efficiency to doing any such skill you have, if you are having till now?
I'm trying.
At your age, huh? Making kites. Have you ever made
I'm making
kites? Can you?
crafts.
Crafts. Okay. Have you ever made kites
Good morning, ma'am.
which you can fly in the sky? No?
Yes, ma'am.
You're not made kites.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
मैम
How many
बनाया
children
पर
they know
उड़ाने
how
नहीं
to
आता
make kites?
मैम बनाया तो पर उड़ नहीं रहा था
हाँ?
बनाने आता है मैम
आता है ना बेटा?
बनाया तो उड़ नहीं रहा था
उड़ नहीं रहा था, आप उसको थोड़ा ढंग से
बनाने
बनाइए,
नहीं आता है।
पेशेंस नहीं लोगे. इट्स वेरी
मैम
ब्यूटीफुल.
बांधा तो जाता हूँ, गलत बांधा होगा.
बिल्कुल गलत. उसमें क्या क्या चीजें लगती है? कैन यू टेल मी?
मैम
पेपर चाहिए स्टिक
wood
चाहिए ग्लू
लगता है,
चाहिए
प्लास्टिक लगता है, ग्लू लगता है, धागा लगता है.
So
मैम आनंद आ
tomorrow
गया.
I will see any one of your skill which you can make from your raw materials. Any raw material which you find from your house, and you can't buy even a single thing if you don't have glue. You know how to
Class,
make
ma'am.
glue in house? कैसे बना सकते हो glue को घर पे? कैसे पेस्ट करने के लिए कोई भी चीज घर में? मेरे पास ग्लू नहीं है, चलो मेरे पास तो फेविकॉल भी नहीं है,
मैम
glue भी
आटा
नहीं
से
है.
बना सकते हैं मैम.
हाँ
Yes,
उसको
ma'am.
क्या बोलते
आटे
हैं हिंदी में? हाँ, वो उससे बढ़िया कोई चीज ही नहीं होता है ना. उसे
मैम
हम
परफेक्ट
बना
चिपकता है.
बहुत परफेक्ट, बहुत ही अच्छी चिपकती है उससे. तो आप कोई भी स्किल वर्क करके दिखाओगे, नॉट ओनली काइट बट आल्सो एनीथिंग व्हिच यू कैन मेक फ्रॉम योर
मैम क्लास में.
No, at your
Home में,
home,
घर
and you
में.
will show me on screen.
Okay,
Those
ma'am.
children who will have those children who will make their things that you will show me like this, their instead of their face, come and show me in the screen. I will just
Okay,
we will do the recording. That recording will be for 10 minutes. Then it will be uploaded in the Snap, in the group, and everywhere that you have made those skill. And even you can just keep it in front of your face and tell about that what you made it from the raw material, from the resources which you have. You have the resources and you have performed your skill. Understood? And how you made it and what type of skill you have performed and from the which material resources you have made that you have to explain.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. That you have to explain it. How many students are there right now? class?
60.
Ma'am, 61.
So you will be
61.
taking the attendance. Acha. You know what is static?
Yes,
I'm
ma'am.
lacking in movement or not changing.
Movement are not changing.
Lacking in movement or not changing.
Okay. Have
I'm
you seen
stable and
static water?
stationary.
Acha, have you seen the static water ever? Ever have you met to static water? No.
मैम अगर साइंटिफिक में बोला जाए तो वाटर कभी स्टैटिक नहीं रहता है.
नहीं रहता है. बट अगर आप
सॉलिड
किसी
फॉर्म में
बकेट
कर
में
तो
पानी
तब
रखोगे,
स्टैटिक रह जाएगा.
हाँ, या आप किसी कंटेनर में रखोगे तो वो स्टैग्नेंट भी हो जाता है एंड दैट इज स्टैटिक आल्सो. दैट वाटर यू कांट यूज एज अ ड्रिंकिंग और इन एनी सच एज अ प्यूरिफायर और एनीथिंग, isn't it? So it's true that water can't be static, and the river water, you can say, or the oceans or streams, all they are always in movement, isn't it? So those water you can drink also. So let's start with the correct options once again, because this is the revision which is going on.
And
Any
water
one of you
can be
can read.
static, but the molecules of water can't be static.
Okay, and you have also studied that when in the static water, if you put or if you throw a stone, a pebble of stone, what happens? What happens
Then
in
the
the static
ripples will
water to throw the
originate.
pebbles? It will make some round spring-like shape.
Ma'am,
And
ripples.
there will be ripples will come, and there will be a movement in the water. That experiment you can do in your bucket or in your tub or in a tanker which you are having on the terrace, isn't it? So those water are static water. Can you read any one of you, page number 6?
Yes, ma'am. Can I read?
Good morning.
Can I read, ma'am?
Read it. Very
Can I read?
nicely you will read.
Future generation will depend on
Make
solar
the
energy
correct
because
option.
it's
Will depend on solar energy because
Generation will depend on solar
Solar
energy.
energy because it is
it is
inexhaustible.
inexhaustible.
Which one of the
Useful.
following resources can
And
be
use it.
recycled?
Inexhaustible.
Gold.
Inexhaustible.
Okay.
Ma'am,
I'm
please
ready.
use it.
Future generation will depend on solar energy because it is
Inexhaustible. Inexhaustible.
inexhaustible. And one, which one of the following resources can be recycled?
Gold. Ma'am, gold.
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 Okay. Gold. All the abiotic resources include
Non-living thing.
living things.
Non-living thing.
Non-living things.
available resources which are not being tapped fully for the time being are called
Potential resources.
Says
potential resources.
Potential resources.
Which one does not promote conservation of resources?
Use
use
as
as
much
much
resources
resources are required.
पहले क्वेश्चन समझिए. Which one does not promote conservation of resources? So you are having the option use resources more efficiently, isn't it? तो ये तो आपको promote कर रहा है conserve करने के लिए. Optimum utilization of
Reduce
resources.
wastage of resources is the correct answer.
हाँ, तो ये आपका हो गया कि इसमें भी आप इसको कंजर्वेशन को प्रमोट कर रहे हो. थर्ड आया था यूज एज मच रिसोर्सेज एज यू रिक्वायर्ड, मतलब जितनी जरूरत हो उतना आप रिक्वायर्ड करो, यूज करो. फिर रिड्यूस वेस्टेज ऑफ रिसोर्सेज, ये भी आपको प्रमोट कर रहा है. तो कौन सा होगा? Which does not promote the conservation of resources?
C.
C.
Use as much resources are required.
As required.
As much as resources are required. Yes. Why? Can you tell me why? If you are going to
Because, ma'am, it
utilize the
cannot-
resources,
Because cannot promote to conservation of resources.
क्योंकि यहाँ आपका बोला गया है ना, ऑप्टिमम यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस. आप कम से कम यूज करिए. ऑप्टिमम मीन्स क्या? कम से कम यूज करना रिसोर्सेस को. आप उसके लिए सब्स्टिट्यूट निकालिए. Nowadays, you can see numerous of substitutes are there for the those wooden door. Do you know the brand company Godrej Furnitures?
Yes, ma'am.
Let's know about the Godrej Furnitures. You know, the furnitures of Godrej or the furnitures with in Godrej, what we have seen, they are not single. They are made from the wood. Actually, they are made from the wood which is which they got all the rubbish wood no after making or after getting those wooden जो भी material जो बच जाता है ना raw की तरह, उन सबको compressed. It is called compressed wood. You know what is compressed wood? वो वुड बनाए हुए जो भी वुड जो है ना दूसरे जगह के जितने भी दुकानें में जो भी वुड निकलते हैं ना पलंग बनाने के बाद या फर्नीचर बनाने के बाद, वो जितने भी शॉप से जितनी भी वुड निकलते हैं ना उन सबको एक कंप्रेस्ड कर दिया जाता है मशीन से, और वो जितने भी हमारे गोदरेज में जो भी फर्नीचर्स आते हैं ना वो कंप्रेस्ड वुड से बनते हैं, तो वो तो वुड का सब्स्टिट्यूट हो गया है ना। और उसमें आप जाओगे शॉप में तो कुछ आपको ऐसे वुड मिलेंगे जो सागवान है या हाँ और भी अच्छे अच्छे वुड के बने हुए रहते हैं, तो सिंगल दे आर मोर कॉस्टली, इजंट इट, दे आर मोर कॉस्टली, तो वो कंप्रेस्ड वुड के बनते हैं, तो ये सब्स्टिट्यूट ही हुआ एक तरह से। नाउ फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, लेट्स नॉट गो फॉर ऑल दोस थिंग्स बिकॉज़ यू डोंट नो मच अबाउट इट। फिलिंग द ब्लैंक्स, डैश कैन बी यूज्ड अगेन एंड अगेन आफ्टर प्रोसेसिंग।
Metallic ores like gold and silver.
Metallic ores like gold and
Cycling.
Metals can be used again and again after processing, but which metal?
Gold and silver.
Gold and silver.
Okay, second one. On the basis of occurrence, resources are classified into two categories.
Natural and man-made.
Natural and man-made. Made.
Natural and man-made.
Man-made resources.
Okay. Third one. With advancement of technology, availability of dash and dash labor are necessary for resources utilization.
Availability of capital and skilled labor.
Capital and skilled labor.
Your ability of capital is there. Capital is the economic word. It's come in the economic subject, and in economy, you can use this capital as a money. Got it, all of you? Capital means money.
Yes.
It's the ability of capital, and then if you have the skilled labor, are necessary of for resource utilization. Unless you don't have the capital, you don't have the skill, you are not going to use the resources. You can't utilize it also, isn't it? जैसा अभी मैंने बोला ना कि कल आपके पास कौन सी resources हैं, आप उसके ऊपर कौन सा, I said that don't put your capital. पैसे नहीं लगने चाहिए उसमें, एक पैसे भी, not even a single 1 rupee you are going to take from your mother. Okay, so resources, आपके पास जो भी resources available है आप उसी से बना के देखिए. Now developed countries are economically self-sufficient and advanced, and that's technologically advanced. Why these developed countries are economically self-sufficient? Why they are self-sufficient?
Because it is technology advanced.
technologically advanced.
Yeah. For example, yesterday we have discussed about the countries like in Asia. In Asian countries, you can say that China, Japan, why they are developed? Why they are said to be developed countries? Because their technology is very sound.
Advanced.
Their population is overcrowded, but still they are developed country like China, Japan. Isn't it? In Asian countries only. And we are the developing countries like India, Pakistan, Bangladesh. और कौन-कौन से एशियन कंट्रीज में है जो हमारे इसमें आते हैं बताओ?
मैम
बांग्लादेश और जापान, पाकिस्तान और इंडिया तो बोल दिया, और बताओ?
रशिया.
मैम ये अफगानिस्तान, ईरान,
श्रीलंका भी हमारे डेवलपिंग कंट्री में. हाँ.
Ma'am, almost 90% country of Asia are developing country.
Bhutan.
हाँ.
नेपाल.
मैम सऊदी अरब को किसमें कंसीडर करेंगे?
सऊदी अरब तो आप उसको डेवलप में करेंगे.
मैम वो तो तेल का खदान रखा हुआ है अपने पास.
हाँ.
25% of oil reserve.
Let's see today. I will see. Saudi Arabia is lacking in which part? We'll see today. The dash resources needed a detailed survey for estimating their quantity and quality. The potential resources.
Potential.
Potential. Achha, I think so. This one technical term you are going to write it. Any material which is used to satisfy human needs
Resources.
Resources.
Resources which cannot be renewed again and again.
Non-renewable or non-renewable.
Non-renewable resources.
Non-renewable.
Okay.
Non-renewable resources.
Resources which are created by human beings, that is man-made resources.
Man-made resources.
Anyone you know how to make fans of paper?
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Those villages,
Yes, ma'am.
people if they are not having fans, how they used to blow fan?
They fold paper and then handmade.
आपने ये पता क्या है कि at the time of Mughal emperors, or you can say when electricity was not there, then how people used to get rid of this summer? कैसे गर्मियों में वो हाँ
वही बगल में दो आदमी रहता था, पंखा होकते रहता था।
है ना हाँ तो
वो तो सिर्फ राजाओं के
हमारा
लिए।
इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का कब हुआ था, कब वो शुरुआत कब हुआ था, कब इसका इन्वेंशन हुआ था?
17
एक मिनट मैम 18th सेंचुरी में।
हाँ 18th सेंचुरी में कब हुआ था और किसने किया था, और उससे पहले लोग कैसे क्या करते थे? तो आप जितना भी जाओगे ना, अगर जिन चीजों की डेवलपमेंट अभी हमारी नए नए में हुई है, उससे पहले जिन चीजों के पास जाओगे वो सब हैंडमेड है. एवरीथिंग इज हैंडमेड. The resources which are surveyed and developed, they are known as actual resources. Sustainable and optimum utilization of resources is known as a conservation of resources.
Conservation.
हाँ, अब सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट पार्ट है ये, तो खैर चला आपने किया.
Benjamin Franklin has invented electricity.
हाँ, हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
See, the most important thing is that now, which you know how to frame the answer, but the thing is that you were always a spoon feeding child. So please remove this concept from your mind, how you are going to write, because here in my class, if every student, now how many students are there now?
61.
61.
Ma'am,
Now
61.
61.
You are going to wait all of, okay, I got it. Listen, how you are going to frame the answer. Let's see the question. See, utility and value of resources vary from time to time and place to place. Enough. This is the question statement. Give any 3 examples to support the statement. Okay. Now what you are going to write? You just take down the same statement like this. Utility and value of resources vary from time to time and place to place. Example. Write down here example, then 2 dots. Write down 3 points. What is the example? That utility and value of resources vary from time to time and place to place. What is the reason?
Can I give?
Yes. Who is one? Tell me.
Molly human. Can I?
Say no. One.
Maybe
Ma'am, can I?
Human civilization flourished along the river valleys and as they used water for irrigating fields. Now human beings are using water for generating energy, irrigation, navigation, industry, etc. China.
Now human beings are using
States America are generating more wind energy
more
than
and getting full, but now water is used from infrastructures unit.
Coming to page number 1.
One.
Third paragraph.
1 में
Page number 1 last para.
Page number
1 last para.
Page number 1 last paragraph. You can see what is given there. After taking out the statement as the same in the answer script, you are going to write down utility and value of resources vary from time to time and place to place because earlier human civilization flourished along the river valley as they use water for irrigating field. Now human beings are using water for generating electricity, है ना, irrigation, navigation and industry. तो अब इसको आप कैसे लिखोगे? For example, China and United States of America, USA are generating more and more energy than India. तो अब इसको क्या करोगे? प्रीवियस अर्लियर, ये यहाँ पर से लिखोगे, जो आपने स्टेटमेंट उतार दिए उसके बाद में ये लिखोगे, अर्लियर ह्यूमन सिविलाइजेशन फ्लोरिश अलोंग द रिवर वैली as they use water for irrigation fields, isn't it? Now human beings are using water for energy, irrigation, navigation and industry etc. ठीक है, और कौन से कंट्रीज लोग ज्यादा कर रहे हैं इसको? चाइना, यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स, अमेरिका, यूएसए,
अमेरिका।
ओके। सो नाउ टेल मी, ये किसी ने क्वेश्चन में ये लिखा है कि आप 3 पॉइंट लिखिए, आप पहले देखिए।
Yes.
आपको 3 एग्जांपल बोला गया है, गिव एनी 3 एग्जांपल। लेट्स मी क्लियर द क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट। आई एम गोइंग टू मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड दैट हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू राइट द आंसर। यहाँ पर आपका एक एग्जांपल बोला गया है कि कैसे टाइम टू टाइम और प्लेस टू प्लेस चीजें बदलती है ना? तो पहला आपने वाटर का एग्जांपल दे दिया, आपके जहन में कोई और है दूसरा एग्जांपल?
Ma'am, 20 years ago, ma'am, there was no cell phones, but now everyone wants it.
मगर टेलीफोन तो एक चीज है जो हमने डेवलप किया, मगर ऐसे रिसोर्सेज के बारे में बताइए जिसको आप पहले यूज करते थे उसको अभी आप दूसरे चीज में यूज कर रहे हो। जैसे हमारा वाटर है तो उसके लिए हम हाइड्रो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी
In earlier times, we are using water for drinking, but now we are
हो गया
using water for
वाटर हो गया,
वाटर के अलावा और दो, वाटर के अलावा और दो।
मैम सन से अभी सोलर एनर्जी हो रहा है,
Wind and sun energy.
विंड
Yes.
मैम सन